Hey everyone, Brian from AMS Performance, here to show you our Alpha 10 turbo package. So the Alpha 10 turbo package is based off of our Alpha turbo kit. The difference between a turbo kit and a package is plug and play. So a turbo kit will come with all the mechanical components you need to bolt it on. You'll go ahead and add certain things like ECU programming, tuning, whatever you want to do for your transmission and so on. The package comes with everything you need, fully installed, turnkey, and ready to run. Building on our Alpha 9 package, the Alpha 10 includes more fuel, map switching, and TCU support. So you'll end up with a car that makes about 1,000 horsepower on 100 octane, a little bit more than that. And it runs with our own boost control closed loop system, so we can do both boost by gear. We can do that for a bunch of different conditions. So your package is gonna run essentially like a street car until you go wide open throttle, and then you're off. Plenty of grip, plenty of pull. It goes about 60 to 100 in 2 seconds. You're 60 to 130 in about 4.3 seconds. Plenty of fun, mid nines to low nines on street tires all day long. Turn it back to your street map, drive home, take your lady out on a date. In developing a package, there's a lot of little things that go into making the kit plug and play. It's not that we can simply bolt on turbos and go. That's more of what the turbo kit is for. The package, again, comes with a lot of refinement. So things like this, the tungsten ceramic coating on the exhaust, the blankets we have made, even down to air filters, which aren't off-the-shelf items. We actually spec them out to get the amount of pleats, the amount of area we want in the filter, and to get the right heights and diameters so that it fits into the engine bay clean and proper and still provides plenty of clean air into the turbo. We have developed 2 different intercooler packages, one for your standard cars and one's for your cars with ALA. And what's neat about it is instead of one tube going in, there's actually 2, and this is contoured to fit the extra ducting that the ALA includes to duct air to the rear wing. We have our water tank here. It fits in the stock location. It is isolated with a little bit of rubber so you don't get any pump noise. It stays nice and solid, and it has a lot of extra volume for the additional cooling required. This is one of our front heat exchangers that we made. Again, we spent a lot of time getting the fin count right, the fin heights right, the overall tank volume correct so that we can deal with a lot of the heat coming out of the turbochargers into the charge air through this air-to-water core and make lots and lots of reliable power. At the core of the package is a Garrett GTX style turbocharger. We spent quite a bit of time getting the ratios and sizing right so that we could have really, really good street-like spool and a lot of top-end delivery without generating a whole lot of heat. It's controlled with towel wastegates and boost control valves. So we have a nice, again, smooth, very easily controlled amount of boost. So we can come on and off very quickly. One of the important things about our boost mapping and doing boost by gear is using those towel parts so that we can very accurately control boost in any given situation. For example, you're in high gear, you're cruising, 60, 70 miles an hour, you can drop down a couple gears, open up the throttle. All of those towel parts respond very quickly so that the boost comes up, the turbo spools, you're on boost, you're off and going. And just like that, you can slow back down, let everything go back. There's not a lot of extra pressure buildup, not a lot of stress on the parts in the intake manifold, and you're back to cruising. In the Alpha 10 package is also our upgraded fueling where we're using dual brushless pumps, and that allows us to send enough fuel to make the power levels that we're looking at on regular gas, race gas, and E85. So you can choose what fuels you run. Flex fuel's also coming, so you'll have a lot of options for fueling and delivery in this package well beyond the power that it's making now. There's plenty of headroom to move forward in the future. The Alpha 10 package is in stock here. We have all of the parts. It's available to come get here installed, tuned at AMS Performance or any of our authorized dealers. You can visit them. They can get the parts on order. There's no waiting months for a build. It's in your car, out the door, in just a matter of days. Tons of fun. For more information on the package, visit us at amsperformance.com. Thanks for watching.
Visit amsperformance.com today.